They follow each other around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work. All of no, you can't do it.
Possibility.
Whoa! Hey, cat.
Not open.
This is Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
A cougar, and that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Money, the West Island SPCA says they need to... Oh, bless you.
Us in the studio for about 50.
We tolerate this if in every case possible.
De abandono. Gente.
Estamos com um visitante ilustre aqui.
Since I've seen her, this is my cat. That is the perks of working from home.
3, 2, 1. Stop it.
Which cat is that?
That's Puppy.